Greetings, tech enthusiasts! If you've ever considered creating videos for YouTube, filming for a school project, or simply indulged in the fantasy of drone piloting, you're not alone. But diving headfirst into the world of drones can be daunting, especially since professional drones aren't always beginner-friendly. Believe me, my collection of broken propellers and drone parts can attest to that. If you're new to this thrilling hobby, we've put together a list of the top 5 beginner drones to explore in 2023. Stick around, as all the drones mentioned will be linked in the description below with the best deals available. So, without further ado, let's dive into Best Tech Find's top 5 beginner drones for 2023. Leading our list as the top budget option is the Holystone HS720. It's not only easy on the pocket, but also boasts several beginner-centric features. These include GPS-assisted flight, auto-return home, altitude hold, and image stabilization. The drone is armed with a full HD camera supported by shock absorbers. Capturing images and videos is a delight, courtesy of its 3840 by 2160 high resolution. The camera's ability to tilt 90 degrees further amplifies the viewing experience, making it ideal for construction inspections and nature videography. On the battery front, the Holystone is powered by 2 lithium polymer batteries. Individually, each battery offers 26 minutes of airtime, summing up to 52 minutes in total. While this might not be the most impressive duration compared to others on our list, it's more than adequate for newcomers. Syncing your smartphone to the included controller is a breeze, allowing you to view your drone's perspective seamlessly. And you won't have to fret about losing your prized gadget. The controller maintains its link for up to 3,000 feet. Plus, the GPS indicator keeps you updated on the connection strength. All things considered, the Holystone HS270 is a strong contender for anyone in search of a budget-friendly beginner drone. Be it novices or intermediate pilots looking for a backup, DJI is a name that resonates with many, whether they're seasoned drone enthusiasts or just starting out. With nearly a decade of crafting exceptional camera drones under their belt, DJI has become synonymous with quality. The DJI Mini 3 exemplifies this tradition. While there are options like the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the recently unveiled DJI Mini 4 Pro, the DJI Mini 3 stands out as an ideal choice for beginners due to pricing and beginner-friendly features. The Mini 3 boasts a 4K video at 30 FPS and captures still photos at 12 MP, delivering professional-grade videography. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures you get buttery smooth footage, even in challenging conditions like wind or uneven terrain. So whether you're filming a YouTube video or TikTok, you can be assured that your footage will be as stable as my dad's last relationship. Speaking of TikTok, the DJI Mini 3 is capable of true vertical shooting, eliminating the need to convert your horizontal videos to vertical. Integrated features like Horizon Steady, Hypersmooth, and Time-Lapse mode further enhance the drone's capabilities, showcasing the depth of technology packed into the Mini 3. Piloting the Mini 3 is a breeze. Its GPS positioning ensures constant altitude, and with its cutting-edge downward vision system combined with a barometric pressure sensor, you can focus on filming without worries about collision. And there's more. Features like return to home, auto takeoff and landing, and intelligent flight modes amplify the DJI Mini 3's appeal. With so much to offer, one can only hope there's enough room on the table for all its brilliance. If the DJI Mini 3 caught your eye, but its price tag held you back, the Potensic Atom SE might be the drone you're looking for, particularly the Fly More Combo Pack. Weighing in under 249 G, there's no hassle with the FAA or remote ID registration. Yet, its lightweight doesn't mean a compromise on performance. Built for durability, it sports a level 5 wind resistance rating, and with its brushless motor, it confidently navigates even challenging skies, all the while maintaining a compact design that fits comfortably in your jacket pocket. Visual enthusiasts are in for a treat. The Atom SE's 4K AIS camera bolstered by a Sony sensor, promises vivid imagery, snap incredible 12-megapixel photos, or roll the camera for 4K footage at 30 frames per second. The Shake Vanish technology ensures a stable frame within its 118 degrees field of view, offering a camera tilt from plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees. While its intuitive Surgefly flight control system caters to beginners, 3 distinct flight modes, video, normal, and sport, keep even the most experienced pilots intrigued. Feel the exhilaration of reaching top speeds of 16 ms/s in just 2.8 seconds in sport mode. No more cutting your flights short. With two 2500 mAh intelligent batteries on board, the Atom SC provides an incredible 62 minutes of total flight time. Broaden your horizons with its 4-kilometer control range, powered by the efficient PicSync 2.0 technology for lag-free video transmission. Its advanced GPS system ensures you never lose your drone, with auto-return features during signal disruptions or low battery alerts. For a touch of adventure, try flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight. And tech aficionados will appreciate the Atom SE's commitment to updates with its photo firmware support, guaranteeing an always optimized flight and filming experience. The Tello drone, a collaboration between Ryze Tech and DJI, is specifically tailored for beginner drone pilots. With its high-quality image processor, Tello effortlessly captures 5-megapixel photos and 720 HD videos. Even if you're new to the drone world, features like EZ shots ensure you can record professional-grade footage. Moreover, all this prowess doesn't compromise flight time. The Tello offers up to 13 minutes in the air on a single charge, all while transmitting video reliably with its dual antennas. It's not just the imaging tech that stands out. Tello combines entertainment with advanced capabilities. Thanks to its DJI-powered flight controller, performing awe-inspiring tricks is just a screen tap away. Its specs also prioritize safety. The drone's lightweight, durable design, coupled with both software and hardware protective measures, allows pilots of all levels to fly with assurance. Included in the package are 4 pairs of propellers, propeller guards, a high-capacity battery, a micro USB cable, and a propeller removal tool, ensuring you have everything you need right out of the box. But Tello offers more than just flight and fun. It provides a learning platform. It's programmable with Scratch, an MIT-developed coding system, enabling youngsters to delve into the world of programming while having a blast. Advanced users aren't left out either. The Tello SDK offers more in-depth software development possibilities. The newly introduced mobile programming app further supports Scratch, giving students a unique opportunity to refine their coding skills through playful challenges. With Tello, you're not just buying a drone, you're investing in an educational, entertaining, and tech-rich experience. This marvel of technology offers an immersive flight experience with its DJI FPV Goggles V2, which promises a thrilling real-time view with its super-wide 150-degree FOV. Its camera prowess is undeniably ahead of the curve, boasting a 4K/60 FPS video recording capacity that captures footage as exhilarating as the flight itself. And for those desiring buttery smooth videos, the rock-steady stabilization ensures your videos remain steady, no matter how dynamic your maneuvers. DJI FPV brings forth an array of intuitive flight modes tailored to both novices and experienced flyers. New users can find comfort in the N mode, which provides immersive flight experiences coupled with traditional drone controls and DJI's exceptional safety features. Meanwhile, the S mode seamlessly marries the dynamism of FPV footage with the convenience of simplified controls. For the pros out there, M mode offers limitless control, allowing you to customize parameters and relish in a unique FPV experience. Safety and convenience have clearly been the watchwords for DJI. Equipped with features like Smart Return to Home, obstacle sensing, and the built-in automatic dependent surveillance broadcast system, the drone ensures that you're always informed about manned aircraft in your vicinity. And if you're a newbie, don't fret. The DJI Virtual Flight app lets you practice in realistic, simulated environments before your actual flight. Add to this the easily replaceable parts and the option to share your aerial adventures using audience mode. And it's evident, DJI FPV is not just a drone, it's an experience. Dive in and take your drone journey to the skies. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration into the world of beginner-friendly drones. If you found value in this guide, or if any of these drones have caught your eye, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support truly means the world to us and helps us continue to bring top-quality content your way. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest tech finds and reviews. Moreover, if you're considering making a purchase, do check out the links provided in the description. Not only will you find brand new models, but we've also sourced some fantastic refurbished options if available. These are an excellent choice for those seeking top-tier tech on a more modest budget. Every click supports the channel, and we've ensured that the refurbished models are of high quality, providing you with reliability and great value. Lastly, if you have personal experiences with any of the drones we've discussed, or perhaps have other recommendations for fellow tech enthusiasts, we encourage you to share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. Once again, thank you for tuning in to Best Tech Finds. Until next time, fly safe and have fun experiencing the freedom of camera drones.